Good morning everyone. Myself Shruti Gajera from BTech IT at my university. Today we are discuss about can you lose data stored in a container? Yes, we can lose data stored in a Docker container if we delete the container or the volume. Actually, Docker containers are persistent. By default, all files created inside the Docker container are stored on a writable container layer. If we stop a container and restart it again, it does not lose data. The data is not volatile. When the data loss from container, data loss from a Docker container can occur when the container is deleted or if the container's resources are exhausted. Container deletion, restarting container, hardware failure, or software bugs. First, container deletion. When container is removed, all changes made to the file within it are lost. Second, restarting container. If you restart a container, you might lose data if you don't have a way to persist the file. And if a container runs out of resources like the CPU, memory, or storage, the application within the container may fail. Hardware failure and software bugs also lead to the data loss. Then next, when the data loss from container, then how can we prevent it? There are some ways. Backup data, use encryption, we can do install a firewall and antivirus software, use an interruptible power supply, update software regularly, implement access control, enforce acceptable use policies, develop a disaster recovery plan. For example, how can use encryption? For encryption purpose, we can encrypt your data at the file, folder, devices, or network level to protect it from unauthorized user, hacker, or cybercriminals. Then next, when the data loss from Docker volume, then how we can prevent it? You can create a volume using Docker volume create command and then volume inside container using option when running the container. This will allow any data returned to mounted volume to be preserved even when the container is removed or recreated. There are many steps to prevent data loss from container. Here we discuss some key steps. First, use volume for persistent storage, backup and restore volume, Docker data container, external database and storage services, Docker Compose with volumes, automate a backup and monitoring, use stateful Docker container checkpoint, and Docker swarms. Thank you.